What's going on? Mike Hobbs here with another quick review. And today I'm going to be talking about the Caldigit TS3 Plus. This is a dock that has many different ports that you can plug into. But the main thing that I love this thing for is for people who do a laptop lifestyle. So for example, I have a couple monitors here and I have a MacBook Pro. So what I'm able to do is plug in my monitors to this, plug in all the different microphones, my SD cards, whatever I need to plug in, I could just plug them into this. And then one cord goes from this to my MacBook Pro. So when I come into my office, I just plug my MacBook Pro into this and everything connects. So I have my two monitors that connects to it, and my microphone, my cameras, everything is plugged in with one cord. And then when I'm done, I just unhook the one cord, take my laptop out, and now I'm back on the laptop. So that is the main thing I use for this for. Now, if I could say there was any gripes about this, I would say it would be nice if it had multiple ports for the monitors. I noticed they have a display port, so I have to hook one monitor to the display port right here. Then I have to hook a different monitor to the Thunderbolt 3 port. So that's the only gripe I would have. It would be nice if they had maybe an HDMI or two display ports, so that way you can hook up two monitors to it easily. But it's fine because I just got a converter from one of my monitors. So I just plug one into the Thunderbolt 3 and one into the display port. And then I've got two monitors plugged into my MacBook Pro. And then it just has the four USB A ports right there. It has a USB A port on the front, has some headphone jacks, SD card reader, USB-C port on the front there, and then the two Thunderbolt in the back. There's also an optical for audio if you want to use that. And there's also an Ethernet cord for internet. Overall, I love this dock. I've been using it for many, many years. It just makes having a MacBook Pro so much easier, and I highly recommend picking one up. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you'd like to learn how to earn a full-time income from home, go over to seekprosperity.com. I've been in this industry since 2007. I've seen what works, I've seen what doesn't work, and so I did my best to put together some of the best digital marketing resources that you can use to build any business or to earn a full-time income online. So go over to seekprosperity.com, make it a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.